Evening, everybody. It's 8:02 on Sunday night. This is your first look at futures, and the stock futures are higher. Uh, S&P is up 27, Nasdaq is up 71, the Dow is up 207, and the Russell is up 24. Uh, the major piece of news around is a merger: Credit Suisse and UBS. Um, to give you an idea of what that's actually worth, the merger is 3.3 billion for all shares. Um, the common shares also get a write down of 17.2 billion, making them worth zero. The Swiss government will cover 9.7 billion in potential uh, Credit Suisse losses, and UBS will get another 107.7 billion liquidity made available from Swiss National Bank. This is basically the Swiss government changing the law over the weekend. Same basic situation that Obama did when he wiped out the secured creditors of General Motors and gave their share of the equity to the unions for election purposes. So I'll get into that tomorrow at some point. We had a very good hour and 15-minute chart talk. It's posted in the Discord room, and I'll make sure it's available to everyone. Okay, as far as the rest of the markets, the grains are not open. Crude is up 40 cents at 67.32, which is not overwhelming, but it was down as low as 65.38 today. So it's $2 off the low and trading within 15 cents of the high, or 50 cents of the high. Heating oil was up another penny. It was up 11 cents on Friday. Gasoline is up 7 tenths of a cent, and nat gas is up about 3 cents. As far as the gold goes, it opened at 1925 and traded up to 1993. This must be a combination. The low shows as 1923. Let me just pull this up so that I can actually see this chart. Yeah, just what I thought. That was Friday's low. Tonight it opened at 1989.70. The high was 1994, the low was 1979, and the last is 1980. So it's pretty close to on the low here, up $6.80, and about, let's just check, 1994 to 1980. So it's $14 off the high. I'm a little concerned about this roll here, but hey, I'm guessing plenty of news to come this week that's going to bear on this, like Wednesday's FOMC announcement. Silver, pretty much the same situation as the gold. It is up 880. It was up about 30 cents. Copper is up 3.8 cents. I have some very interesting comments, I think, on the charts with comments tonight. No cattle, no softs. As I said, now up 25.75 in the S&P, 66.50 and 199, and the Russell up 23. This is a problem. This is going to become more of a problem depending upon what the effects are for our banks versus Credit Suisse. It's the standard question of counterparty risk. So we'll have to see how that shakes out. It ought to be a very interesting week. The bonds are down about a point, and the dollar is up about 85 cents. Bitcoin, a monster again. This is an important break to the upside. Um, We had a range last week of 6,000 on a $21,000 commodity. And tonight we're trading at 28,130, up 1,130. I expect there to be a problem in here, certainly up around this 31,000 area, but it clearly could get there. And as I said, let's take a quick look at the bonds, which look like they were ready. My comment tonight, I was looking at it as they were looking awfully much like they were going to break this 3-year 7 times lower highs and lower lows. Look like we might break back to the upside, but I see us definitely running into trouble here. The problem with that, of course, is if the bonds turn down, makes our debt more expensive to finance, the dollar gets weaker rather than stronger, I think. All right, everyone. I'll be back first thing in the morning. Hope you had a great weekend.